Hello and welcome back to yet another edition of Monday Special. Yesterday, Sunday, Aseda tricked us. Our two direct 66.55 both went +1. Play 67.56. We pray for better luck today. For those that chatted with me on WhatsApp, did you actually see the two places we had? It actually proved the only two direct we should pick and not waste our money on permutation. Never mind, better days are coming. On today Monday Special, let's dive straight into it. But should in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, the surest plug when it comes to online Ghana Lotto. So if this is your first time, just subscribe, share, and if you like this content, like this video. If you've not been chatting with me on WhatsApp before, it means you won't get all my games because I don't post on YouTube every day. And +234 from outside Nigeria, +234701000. 7314 is the WhatsApp to call from Nigeria, 070-1000-7314. That being said, let's go straight onto a second time working plan on Monday Special board. This game thing say it gets sense, but I'm cracking it today. Okay guys, let's start with the first time it's playing on Monday Special board at event 220. 90 playing in second ball machine. On the current, Monday Special current in the year 2025 at event 982, 90 playing in position, second ball machine. After 90 play to second ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down. Expect 39 in center ball machine. 9 weeks down from 90 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down. Expect 39 to play to position, center ball machine. After 39 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down again. Single 5 would maintain second ball machine. And on the current, from 39 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. Expect single 5 in this position, second ball machine, to play with 77 close. Now, after it closes with 77, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down, 69 to maintain second ball machine, 8 weeks down from single 5 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down, 69 maintained the position, second ball machine. Second ball winning, pardon me. After 69 play this position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 weeks down. Expect 80 again in first ball winning. 24 weeks down from 69 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 weeks down. Expect 80 in position, first ball winning. Now, after 80, maintain first ball winning. Now, after 80 in position, first ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 40 should play center ball machine. After 80 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 40 will play center ball machine. Now, after 40 play in center ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, single 5 played with 77 close. 77 should move to machine. 4 weeks from 40. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 77 moved to machine. Now from machine. Now after 77, this game played us a trick. Let us go with it like this first. After 77, he said 1, 2, 3 weeks. 77 will counter to machine. After 77, 1, 2, 3. 77 should counter to machine. Now, that was last week. Now, observe something here. This is why I said it in the beginning of this video. This game thing have sense. I'm cracking it down today. When 77 dropped, it said 77 should move in immediately. Remember, 77 played close with single 5 here. 77 should jump. After it jumped, it said it should move in. Monday special saw this, was too revealing, and it countered 77, countered the same free banker, dropped it in position. Fourth ball winning. Now, after dropping this game, the next free banker, it said 69 in position. 69 in position. After 77, 69 in position should jump to second ball winning. Now again, after dropping 32 in position, 69 again countered to position, and it is a board plan. So it means the first time it's using the actual number, the second time it's setting it now is using the counter of the first answer. So what is this plan telling us again as a free banker? It said 69 would jump. 69 countered. It said 77 would jump. 77 countered to position. So today now it's telling us 39 in position to counter. Give us 84. But since it has been countering these answers and keeping them in position when it said they should jump, so when it said this game should counter, we should actually expect it to jump. So in place of 84, I'll be using 39 based on this working. As a banker, I'll be using 39. Okay, 39 won to Jericho. Now 69 in position in winning, supplying us with 21. 90 in position in machine, also supplying us with 21. That's 21 there. Now let's take it this way again. After 90 played, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 12. Here as well, after 90 played, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 12. Okay, now from this 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks, this 12 should turn to machine. 9 weeks. From this 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks, this 12 should turn to machine, supply us 21. This 21 is moving down again to the 3 numbers supplying us with 21. 21 is working down here, supplied to us by 69, supplied to us by 90. So that's leaving my my prediction displaying on the screen right now. My 2 direct remain 39, 21, 39, 66, and my permutation displaying above the screen. So thank you for coming to watch video. If you find value in this content, don't forget to give me a like for this video. Like this video. For me, if you're new, subscribe, and if you like this plan, really share it with your friends. I have another one banker, just one banker for today, but I'll be sharing it on our WhatsApp. So see you guys on WhatsApp. If you've not been chatting with me before on WhatsApp, it's absolutely free, streamless, and I mean it is easier to post video without policies on WhatsApp. So thank you for coming to watch. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.